So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is this COALESCE function in Power BI DAX. So it returns the first expression that does not evaluate to blank. If all the expression evaluate to blank, then blank is returned. Let's try to understand this with the help of one example. So for that, we need to create a new measure. So for that, go to Home, click on New Measure, and let's give it a name as, let's say, Demo, and we need to make use of this COALESCE function. And over here, if you see the syntax, then we can pass n number of values over here. So I'm going to pass only two values. The first one, I'm calculating sum of sales. So this is my first value, and let's say the second value is 0, and just hit enter, and let's try to see what it returns to us. So just select this new measure that we have recently created and select the card. So it is returning us the sum of sales. As you guys can see, it is in thousands. Let's try to understand why it is returning sum of sales and why not 0. So it will go from left to right. It will check whether my first value, whether my first expression contains blank value or not. So let's try to understand whether our sales value contains blank value or not. So as you guys can see, there is no blank values in my sales column. Since there is no blank values, it is calculating the expression 1 and it is returning the answer for that. That's why we are getting sum of sales over here. If there are blank values in my first expression, then it would have gone to the second expression and it would have written 0 instead of 1.74k, which is my sum of sales. So this is how this COALESCE function works. So in this way, we can make use of COALESCE function in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.